So here's the rug where I'm going to install the grippers. You can see it moves freely on the floor right now. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Home Tech Pro Anti-Slip Rug Grippers. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see the nice retail packaging right here, walking us through the product features. They show you the installation as well with how-to instructions on the backside. So this features 4 anti-slip rug grippers. It's washable, easy to use, no marks or damage to your rug, and it peels off easily. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are the package contents. First up, you can see we have our user guide and manual, followed by the 4 rug grippers right here. Check that out. You can see with the user guide, we have a notice letting us know this is only designed to be used on smooth floor surfaces. And before using the gripper, ensure that both the floor and the surface of the gripper is clean and dry. The gripper can be washed along with the rug, and they have their customer service and support email if you have any questions, with a nice thank you message on the back. Next, you can see right here, we have the 4 rug grippers. So check that out. You can see them right here. And don't forget, there are multiple quantities available online. This is the 4-pack, but they do have an 8 and a 12-pack available. Now let's go ahead, let's try them out. So here's the rug where I'm going to install the grippers. You can see it moves freely on the floor right now, and it's very easy to slip on. So let's go ahead, let's flip it over and get them installed. The yellow sides for the rug and the white sides for the floor. Just peel and stick in place. Now you can see we have all 4 installed. Let's go ahead, flip it over and try it out. Now I'm trying to move the rug again, guys, with the grippers installed. And you can see it's not budging or moving anywhere. So it really does a good job keeping your rug or mat in place. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.